My name is Dr. Shahin. I'm the founder of the charity organization Dr. Shahin Help. And what are we doing? We are building water wells in Africa. And yes, Sascha, there is a gift for you. Mark Gebauer thought about a gift for you, and the best gift is to help other people and to bring joy to them, because it's coming back to you. And therefore, we will build a water well in Africa where people don't have any water to drink, because there is only a river or some water from the rain, and it's very important for their health. This is a great present, and I will be there in June, and I will open the water well myself, and I will send you the video. And thank you to you, making it possible, and thank you of course to Mark Gebauer for this idea to make people happy, and I hope you are happy as well. Thank you very much.